my god, that is fabulous. Oh yes guys, I'm gonna be adding these to my website. Hello. Hey guys, it's she back today with another video. Here comes Orion to say hello. Say hello. Hello baby, hello, hello. We don't got a lot of time for this today, okay? So anyway guys, back today with another video. What I'm going to be doing in this video is just showing you a day in the life of a e-commerce entrepreneur slash interior designer slash reseller. So it's already 2 o'clock guys. I have to get to the post office before they close at 5 o'clock and drop all of these packages off. So today I'm just going to be showing you a little bit of me packaging some items up, printing out my labels, all that good stuff. All of these sales are from Facebook Marketplace. So anyway, I'm just going to get right into it. So this is the first thing that I want you guys to see. My freaking house right now, it looks like the whole thing imploded. Just like this little corner right here, okay? So that's my printer. I got this printer on sale sometime last year. And what I'm going to be doing is setting it up so that I can go ahead and print everything. I print all of my shipping labels directly from Facebook Marketplace. I'm using freaking cardstock right now because Walmart did not have any printer paper. So instead of sitting there going from store to store, I was like, this cardstock just going to have to work. So yeah, so got my printer. It's a wireless printer and I just print straight from my phone. So over here is where I'm gonna actually be packing stuff up. Guys, I actually went to the Dollar Tree a couple of days ago. Oh, I need some shoes. This floor is so cold and gritty. But guys, I'm trying to get my house together for the new year. Want to make sure I go into the new year right. So I have a Christmas card. I got this from my grandma because I got her a little Christmas gift, and then I'm gonna put her stuff in this bag. And then this was like an extra one for my boo to put some stuff that I got for him in there, but it won't even fit, so whatever. But what I wanted to show you guys is I got this green and red paper, which I need to use for these packages today because Christmas is going to be over soon. So who wants green and red paper in their package? So we got that. I also got these thank you cards. And these thank you cards, I normally try to order them from Amazon, but I kind of ran out, didn't have time to reorder. So these are just like the Hallmark thank you cards. It comes 8 in a pack for $1. So I got 6 packs, I think. I don't use the envelopes, I just literally use the cards, and I think it just really sets you apart from other people who sell online like Poshmark and Facebook Marketplace, because a lot of people don't take the time to just say thank you, you know. So I had Christmas cards earlier this year, but I didn't want to buy any more of them. This tray actually sold on Facebook Marketplace for $28, and it has some stickers and stuff on the back. Look, it was originally $6.99 at Big Lots, and then I got it from Goodwill for $2.25. So I'm gonna take a blow dryer, get those stickers off, and get this packaged up for sale. These are 2 bras that sold on Poshmark that I have to ship out today, or they're gonna cancel the sale. And then this is my box of bras. So I have a box of bras. This summer I went a little crazy with buying bras at the thrift stores. As you can see, they didn't sell that well, but suddenly everybody and their mom needs a bra. So I sold 2 there, a couple last week, and then this one I'm actually having to package up, which I think is so pretty and sexy. All these bras were like $4.99. This one sold for like $19 or something. At this point, I'm just really trying to get rid of them. So anyway, guys, I'm going to stop talking and get right into packing. That way I can get to the post office by 5 o'clock. Alright, so guys, I'm on Poshmark right now, just printing the label, and I don't know what's up with my internet. It's being so annoying. It's taking forever to just print this shipping label, but while I'm waiting for that to print, I have this customer that's like pissed off on Facebook. She's saying the item that she received is not the item from the picture, blah blah blah, and like that's the one thing that's so irritating about Facebook Marketplace, because like there are no returns. Okay, like Facebook Marketplace has a no return policy, so I can refund her money if she sent the item back to me, but this particular item was drop shipped, and I do a little bit of a different method of drop shipping. So anyway, at this point I don't really have a way to get her to return the item that won't cost me money. Okay, so I'm in the process of just talking to her, trying to get her to like fall in love with the item, see if there's anything I can do to convince her to keep it, because this is what happens on Facebook Marketplace, which I hate. If the person decides like I'm gonna file a Facebook purchase protection claim or whatever, Facebook just gives them their money back, so you're just completely out back. So I always try to just offer $5-10 something, like I can refund your shipping. I try to do something to make them happy so that they don't file that claim, because once they file that claim, you lose your item and you lose your money, and that's the one thing that I really have not been liking about selling on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm only telling you guys that because it's just something that you should be aware of. Like, I don't want anybody to be deterred from, I don't want anybody to be deterred from selling on Facebook Marketplace, because last month I did almost $10,000 in sales just from selling items that I purchased from the thrift store, and also items that I purchased from websites like major retailers. I was able to make really good money on Facebook Marketplace. So like the little incidents I have like this, they're few and there really are. Lord, it's cheap ass tape, guys. I'm all out of labels, so unfortunately I'm printing this is so annoying, and this is why label printer paper is just such a necessity, because this is in the way. But anyway, I don't want anybody to be deterred from doing this. Like, there's a ton of money that you can make, and it's just like with anything dealing with customers, you're always gonna have people that just aren't happy. But I've been trying my best to like mitigate losses with Facebook Marketplace, because they don't have a return system in place, so that kind of makes things hard. So guys, I just got another package, and it's one of my customers' items. Look at this tissue box. Like, how fabulous is that? It would be so cute on your vanity or in your office or in the bathroom or something. Let's see, it doesn't fit a standard box of tissues. It looks like you'll have to take some of the tissues out and put it in there. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fill the tissue box up with some tissues, and then like take a picture, and then pack this baby up so it can get sent on its way to her. But yeah, it looks like you have to take the tissues out of the box, which is fine. Nobody wants that ugly Kleenex box anyway. Oh my god, that is fabulous. Oh yes, guys, I'm gonna be adding these to my website. Hello. Alright guys, so I got everything packed up. Now we're gonna head over to the post office. Alright guys, so I made it to the post office. As you can see, I'm by myself. So what you have to do when you by yourself is use this card. The link to this will be down in the description box below. So if you wanted to go ahead and purchase this card, highly recommend it, especially if you're like going to the post office a lot. You guys see me use this in other videos. It's very helpful when you're alone trying to take a bunch of packages into the post office by yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I forgot to record an outro. After the post office, I ended up heading over to the antique mall to do a few things. But thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. More vlog entrepreneur type videos to come. See you next time. Bye.